The next topic po is the models related to a three-way tables. So the first one presented is the main effects only or simple additive model. So this is the equation. The cell y sub RCL is equal to the mu plus alpha sub R plus beta sub C plus gamma sub L plus the error term E sub RCL, where where alpha sub R is the effect of level R of the factor A, beta sub C is the effect of level C of factor B, and gamma sub L is the effect of level L of factor C. And U is an overall value or common term, or kung iisipin po natin sa isang simple linear, what do you call this? Isang simple linear equation, parang siya po yung intersection point po natin. Kung zero lahat ito, yun yung value niya. And of course, the last one is the error term. Error term are fluctuations arising from natural variability from the measurement process. So, syempre, hindi po natin mape-predict directly and may difference, and that's what we call the error term. Now, these are the constraints on the effects. So, ito po yung effects natin, yung alpha, beta, and gamma. Yung median ng effects for alpha is equal to 0. Yung median ng beta values is equal to 0. Yung median ng gamma values is equal to 0. So, ayan. Kaya sinabi po dito, the median of this median sub R of alpha sub R denotes the median of the alpha values 1 to R. So yun po yung effects, the R effects of the factor A. Factor A have R levels, so the alpha values have R effects. So parang ganun po. Same applies with the beta and the gamma. Remarks. In the main effects only model, the three factors influence separately and additively. So parang ganun nga po ang nangyayari. Separate sila. Parang ina-assume natin na independent sila. Parang kahit anong value nito, hindi niya maapektuhan yung value ng beta natin and ng gamma natin. Kaya separate yung effect nila. Parang independent sila. Next one is the conditions involving the median are analogous to the usual conditions in the analysis of variance or ANOVA, that the summation of the effects of A, the summation of the effects of B, the summation of the effects of Y is equal to 0. In other words, the average of each set of effects is 0. Sorry. These conditions also prepares us for the Newton Policy procedure for three-way tables na i-explain po ng mga kagrupo ko mamaya. The model is simple and attractive but frequently cannot adequately describe the data. Yes, it is very simple kasi parang konti lang yung terms. Ina-add mo lang siya. Pero ang assumption, parang ina-assume niya nga na independent, which is in a real case scenario, hindi naman talaga minsan independent yung mga factors. Kaya nagiging hindi adequate yung pag-describe natin ng data or pag-predict dun sa cell natin. The last remark, when the factors fail to act separately, a model with interaction of variable is more appropriate to use, although additivity of effects may often be a good initial model. So, maganda na simple siya, that's an advantage. Pero ang disadvantage niya is paano if merong interaction yung mga variables natin. So, problematic siya sa predict ng values natin sa cell. Yun lang yung sinasabi niya. Pero maganda pa rin siya as an initial model kasi simple lang siya. So, parang ganun. The next one is the full effects model. So this is the equation y sub ijkr. So baka nagtataka po kayo bakit may r. Yung r po dito is parang there are ijk levels on each factor, and yung r is the number of values in a single cell. So, parang kanina, kaya ijk lang siya kasi yung laman ng cells natin is iisa lang yung value. Ngayon, hindi na lang iisa. There are R values in a single cell. And the y sub ijkr is equal to mu plus, mu ba dapat tawag ko dito? Hindi naman siya min eh. So, basta mu, kasi yung symbol. So, mu plus alpha sub I plus beta sub j, sorry, pause po, plus gamma sub k. Plus, yung tawag po dito is the interaction of alpha and beta sub ij, interaction effect of alpha and gamma sub ik, and plus the interaction effect of beta and gamma sub jk, and the interactions of the three ijk, plus the error sub ijkr. Ayan. Ito po yung full effects model. Full effects model po siya kasi lahat ng klase ng interactions AB, AY, and BY, and ABY, kino-consider niya yung interaction ni AB, yung interaction ni AY, interaction ni BY, and ano kaya yung interaction pag nagsama-sama silang tatlo. So, ganun. So, parang ganito nga po, where alpha, beta, sub ij is the two-factor interaction effect of level I of factor A and level J of factor B. I repeat, yung ijk are the levels of the factor A, B, C. Yun po. Same case lang po dito, dito, and dito. Three factor interactions naman po. So ano po yung additional ina-add pag pinag-combine mo yung tatlo? Ano yung interaction ng tatlong factors? Now, same dun sa una, meron rin po tayong constraints. Similar lang po sa main effects only model yung constraints po natin. Yung median ng alpha values is equal to 0. Yung median ng beta values is equal to 0. And yung median ng gamma values is equal to 0. And in addition, pati yung mga interaction effects, ang median niya is 0. So parang ganun po yung nangyayari. Kailangan muna nating i-explain. So where median I of the interaction effect of A and B sub ij denotes the median of the values of the interaction A and B sub ij over the I values of I holding J fixed. So parang ang sinasabi po dito, lahat ng median ng I is equal to 0. For let's say yung J is equal to 1 muna. Kung ilan yung J natin. So parang when J is equal to 1, ang median niya is ang median ng I natin, let's say 2 of the interaction effect of A and B of sub 2, 1 is equal to 0. So ang point lang po dito is yung lahat ng interaction effect, ang median po is equal to 0. Same case po with the three-factor interaction. Dito, kino-hold mo yung value ni J and K. Dito naman, finifix mo yung value ni I and K. And dito rin, kino-hold mo naman yung values ni I and J. So, ganun po. Pero ang overall point lang po nito, nitong part na to is that yung median ng lahat ng interaction effects is also equal to 0. Punta na tayo sa next page. Sorry, Mark. The model applies to three-way tables with more than one observation per cell. The subscript R is to denote that there is more than one observation per cell. So, katulad po ng sinabi ko kanina, yung R po dinedenote niya kung ilan yung values natin per cell. So, kung babalikan natin yung pinakauna nating example, katulad neto, isa lang yung value niya. So, R is equal to 1. So, kahit hindi mo na isulat kasi laging R is equal to 1 naman. Pero may mga tables na maraming values sa iisang cell. And yung R, yung number of values nung nasa cell natin. Going back to the full effects model, remarks, if there is only one observation per cell, the error term ijk, the error term sub ijk R reduces to ijk kasi R is equal to 1 nga. There is only one observation per cell. Therefore, we cannot consider interaction effects, the three interaction effects of the three factors because we have no basis for separating this one and this one. So, ang sinasabi lang po nitong remark na to ay it's a redundant to have an interaction effect of the three kasi meron ka nang error term. Lalo na pag iisa lang yung observation mo per cell. Ang sinasabi kasi neto is, ang kinakompute kasi neto is yung error term mo sa each value na meron sa iisang cell. Di ba maraming ang values yung cell? Iisa na lang yung value pag R is equal to 1. So, pwede mo nang pag-isahin yung interaction effects ng tatlo into just a single term of an error term sub ijk. And the last remark, the interaction effects are not necessarily like the products of mean effects. The notation alpha beta sub ij simply denotes the joint contribution of the two factors whose main effects are A sub I and B sub j. So, ang sinasabi po dito is hindi po siya product. Okay? Dependent po kung anong value ng interaction pa. Hindi lang siya basta minumultiply. So, hindi po siya product. Kaya po kung mapapansin natin, kung product lang po yan, edi nakalagay lang po A times B times alpha times beta times gamma. Pero hindi po. Hindi po siya basta product lang po ng effects. Okay, additional remarks. The interaction terms indicate joint contributions of two or more factors above and beyond the contributions represented by their main effects or by the interactions of the lower order. So parang ganun na lang po. And next remark, some interaction terms may not be included if deemed necessary depending on the situation. Consider the model below. So as you can see here, ang interaction effect lang na meron is alpha and beta. So factor A and factor B lang yung may interaction effect. Kasi pwedeng ang lumabas sa computation natin, sa software natin, is insignificant naman yung effect ng other interaction effects kung babalikan po natin. So, hindi lahat ito significant. So, pwede tayong magtanggal. Yun lang po yung sinasabi ng point na yun. Some interactions were omitted because it is more appropriate for a particular situation. And of course, ang goal natin is mas magmukhang simple. Simple lang yung model natin, pero accurate. Mas konti, mas better. Pero dapat accurate pa rin. So tatanggalin lang po natin siya pag insignificant na po. Last remark, oftentimes in three-way analysis, the three-factor interaction term alpha, beta, y sub I, j, k is omitted because it is absorbed into the error term E sub I, j, k, r. So, yung parang ang sinasabi lang po nito, laging nawawala to usually sa mga models natin kasi yung interaction ng anong tatlo, yun na yung error term. Parang yung interaction ng tatlo, pwede na natin i-consider as error term. Diba? So parang redundant ba pag magkakaroon ng interaction effect yung tatlo? Kung pwede naman natin siyang combine with the error term. And baka mas magkaroon pa tayo ng mas better view or analysis on the error terms. So yun po yung last point. And I think this is the last slide po.